Hello friends, in this video, we are going to discuss about how we can set default upload settings on YouTube 2021. Before start, don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start. First, it is a default setting for all your videos. So, whenever you upload a new video, you can have some sections pre-filled, for example, description, tags and so on. Second, you can set default settings for your whole YouTube channel, e.g. category, tags and so on. Overall, it can be really handy. First, just go to YouTube Studio by clicking on the picture at the top right corner of the page, then click on YouTube Studio button. Then click on the Settings button. Click on Upload Defaults. That's it. You will see 2 or 3 tabs: Basic Info, Advanced Settings, Monetization, in case you are in YouTube Partner Program. In the Basic Info tab you can set up title, description, visibility, public, private or unlisted, tags. Personally, I only set up parts of description and visibility to public, as all my titles and tags are different for each video. In the Advanced Settings tab you can set up license, standard YouTube license or Creative Commons, category for your videos, original video language, captions and CC, comments policy, allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, hold all comments for review, disable comments. Pretty cool. When you've done all the settings, click the Save button. So your default upload settings is updated. So I hope you like our video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.